What's up? Thanks for stopping by. It is July 15th, 2023, and I'm back to you guys with some more Cash App opportunity content here. This is extreme passive Cash App profits, where you can receive unlimited $39 Cash App instant now money. And I want to share this with you guys because this thing is, I'm starting to see this thing all over the place, and people are having success getting Cash App payments with this. So this is a very colorful and simple website, and with this opportunity, it's a right now money type of opportunity. So you have the sales page. There's no back office or anything. Your product is, you're going to get 10,000 buyer leads, and they're going to send them to your website that's just like this one, and your name is going to be in position number 1 when prospects join your link. And then you'll also get 10,000 emailed again with your name and Cash App tag in position number 2. Then as prospects join under you in all 3 positions, your name and Cash App tags keep getting emailed to 10,000 again and again on position number 1, position number 2, and position number 3 to, it keeps going on. You'll receive a free receipt copy of your 10,000 email blast, and just let you guys know, it says warning, this works, and I'm seeing this work, guys. Okay, so level number 1, we email out 10,000 for you, and you get a 1% response. That's 100 new members times $39 equals $3,900. Level number 2, these 100 do the same and get 100 each with you in position number 2. That's 10,000 new members times 39, which is 390,000. So let me throw this out there, guys. This is an income disclaimer, and just letting you guys know that this is not a guaranteed income guarantee. There's nothing out there that's guaranteed out there, and I just wanted to clarify that with you guys. I'm not saying that you can get a certain amount of cash in a certain amount of time. That's not it. You have to put the work in, and that's basically what I wanted to make this video about today. Is we all have different grinds. We all have different hustles, and we do it every day, and we have to be consistent at it. Get up and do our routines, and then we rinse and repeat. I mean, there's some out there that are the blue collars that get up at 5 in the morning, go out there at daylight, shake the trees, wake the birds up, and then go out there and do their grind and get their hustle on. And this is no different, guys. You got to be consistent. You got to do it. You got to come at it. Go at it every day, whatever your DMO is. That is daily method of operation. And you're also going to get a DMO with this, my friends. You're going to get a bonus when joining me and extreme Cash App profits, passive Cash App profits. You're going to get a bonus. It's going to be a success blueprint that was made out by my mentor, and it's going to give you kind of some day-to-day things to do to be successful with this opportunity. And you can use that. You can also use that to have some success at other opportunities also. It's very simple, but it's just one thing that we kind of all forget to do when it comes to, getting exposure on these opportunities. So with that being said, it says, no, all payments will be verified before you receive your membership package and email blast service. After you make a $39 Cash App payment to each member below, send proof of Cash App payments to cashinfinitymarketing@gmail.com. Okay, so what that means is, once you're going to send these payments, okay, one's going to go to the admin. It's Rodney Gunther. Big Money Closers is his Cash App username, and he's got his phone number there. So that should pop up when you're on Cash App. So you want to make sure that you're not sending it to somebody else. Position number 1, Buddy Boome. And again, I say this a lot, but my Cash App username success is spelled incorrectly, but that's the correct Cash App tag for me. I accidentally forgot a C in there, and it just stuck that way. So I actually own Boome to Success with 2 C's also, but that's not the Cash App for this that's on this page. So that has my phone number. You're going to see my picture pop up on there. Position number 2, Carlos Reyes, and it has his number and username, Cash App tag. Position number 3, Crystal Wilson, and it has her username, CW Gypsy Life 2097. And then you're just going to simply take a screenshot of each and one of those when you pay them, and then you're going to send it to this email. And if you guys know how to do that, it's very simple. You just, on the Samsung, you just push the power button and the lower volume button at the same time. It'll take a screenshot, and then when you email it, you just push it, the paper clip in the email, and it should send an attachment with the picture. Very, very simple. This opportunity is a simple opportunity. It's got a simple sales page, but very powerful. Unlimited $39 payments to your Cash App, and I like to consider this right now money, because if you have a Cash App debit card, you can get the money in your Cash App and you can go out and spend it immediately, or go out and take the money out if you like. Okay, so one thing that I do stress about opportunities that I promote, because if I make a video, that means that I'm standing behind what I'm promoting, is I want to be sure that the owner, the admin of the opportunity is, legit. He's not trying to hide behind a page, and he's not somebody that's not going to be shady or anything like that. So this person, his name is Rodney Gunther. He has his number on here, and you can call it 24/7. I called it to test it out before I joined. He got back to me, he text messaged me, and he emailed me, and that was pretty much enough said for me on my behalf. I always want to make sure that if I'm going to be promoting something, that it's not going to be something I'm going to be joining some shady people. And I'm not saying that about this, but it is legit. Rodney answered me. He sent me a text message. He emailed me, and I was ready from there. Then at that, the person that I joined, Carlos, he's been a friend of mine online for a little while now. He also stands behind his reputation. That's a big thing in this industry, is you want to be able to stand behind your reputation. You don't want it to be anybody giving you any flaws on your reputation. So I like to stand behind mine. I try to be there for people as much as I can, whether they are sponsees under me in an opportunity or not. Some people will just text message me, ask me questions, and I'll more than happy to help people. That comes to a certain point. You do have to spend time on your grind and your hustle, and you don't want to spend too much time on helping people that aren't on your team and stuff like that. So, but it always does help to go out there and give out some nuggets and give people some whatever wisdom that you've learned. And I've been in this industry for a dozen years now, with different affiliate programs, different MLMs. And I'm not going to say that I'm like a guru, or I was like this huge rags to riches success type thing. I'm a real person. I'm a single dad. I have 5 kids. I was married for a number of years. I've had my struggles, and I like to share my day-to-day basis, my day-to-day journey with everybody, so you guys kind of know me a little bit. You guys know my issues. I know I had health issues. I've had marital issues. I've had issues with my kids and whatnot. But I continue to keep on grinding on a day-to-day basis. And guys, I like I've said before, I've told you on these videos that I don't rehearse or write down the things that I'm going to say on a lot of these videos. I just like to press record and start talking, and I share my journey, share my day-to-day live with you guys. And when I seen this picture of my friend Sean, he posted this, you know, basically getting up at daylight. He's like a drywaller, construction worker, so he gets up early every day and got every single day, 6-7 days a week, and goes and he's on his grind. And this is the same thing. You're going to do the same thing, but you're not going to get up at 5 in the morning or 6 in the morning, but you're going to get up. I got up at 11 this morning. I didn't get up early, but I got up. I thought about what my grind is going to be on a Saturday morning. Saturdays and Sundays are my days to sleep in. That's my weekly routine. Then I get up and do my 9 to 5 job Monday through Friday, 9 to 5:30 every single day. And I like my job. I'm not in these opportunities to quit my job, but I do know that I'm educated enough to, I believe that I'm able to do this full time if I ever had to, if my job went somewhere or technology started taking my job over like it is everybody else, which is would be difficult because I'm a security guard and it requires people to be in the front. So, but at the same time, guys, everybody's on their grind. I get up, I check my Facebook, I check my emails, I figure out what I'm going to post for the day. If I have some image proofs, if I have some income proofs, I'll check to see if I have any commissions in my opportunities, which I did have one this morning with the Conversion Pros marketing system, $25 commission on that one. And I just go and check my opportunities that I'm promoting, my tools and stuff like that. So this daily method of operation is important, guys, when it comes to working from home. And I don't have a set thing that I do on the weekends. I like to tend to stick to a routine that I do on the weekdays. I'll be at work, and my job, it does allow me to focus on multiple things at a time. So I can sit there and I can make a post about my opportunity, and I can still check out the cameras. I gotta multitask all the time. That's what keeps me awake sometimes when I'm sitting there staring at surveillance images and stuff like that. So I'm ranting, but you guys understand it's a grind, whether you're getting up early or you're doing this online thing, affiliate marketing thing. It's all the same. It's a grind. So you guys want to get unlimited $39 Cash App payments? Right here, this is how you're gonna do it. You can come to my page. It's actually gonna be a capture page. I've had a couple different capture pages out there. One of them is wealthwithbuddy.com, and it says make some serious Cash App money. And I use this capture page with the Conversion Pros, and this has got a generic video on there. I may soon put my own video on there, but this one seems to be working fine. I also got a capture page. I got a couple of capture pages with I got this guy .wealthwithbuddy.com. This guy makes thousands every week online. You get to do this exact system and copy it. And then I have a capture page made with Lead Sleep. So if you're with Lead Sleep, it's a free marketing system, traffic exchange type of thing. You can make unlimited capture pages, sales pages, and different stuff. I do have you can use this capture page if you like. I have a couple of also have a couple of email autoresponder messages with this one also that you could use as a share code if you're with Lead Sleep. If you're with the Conversion Pros, the same. I can use my share code, share it with you guys. So I use that to complement what I do, and that's part of my daily method of operation. And basically, what I was sharing with you guys is just stay on the grind. If you want to make $39 Cash App payments, unlimited, some right now money, I'll put the link in the description. Extreme passive Cash App profits. Very simple, colorful page. You can have your name right here in the number one position, and then you're also going to get 10,000 emails sent out with your name, your Cash App take name with your phone number, to 10,000 leads. And then people start joining you, you're going to get bumped down to number 2. And then people start joining your team, you're going to get bumped down to number 3. And they're all going to have your Cash App tag names, phone number on there. And when you get started with this, guys, it's going to take no longer than 24 hours. Rodney puts together the sales page for you, and then he'll send it to you within 24 hours, and that'll have your name on the position number 1, and then you go from there. There's no back office like this, guys. It's very, very simple page, simple, colorful page, but it works. That's what I like about the sales page. It works. It's simple, and there's no video or anything like that. But I can make my own videos. So at that, guys, click that link in the description. If Cash App money is for you, if you want right now money, then you can get that $39 payments 3 levels deep with this opportunity.